I'm Andu, an artist from Vietnam, creating the channel to share with you guys my work, my experience, and also my live art. Today, I'm going to show you how to paint nose. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use only one Procreate default brush called Flash Brush from painting to sketch and to coloring. It's a Procreate default brush, so it will be easy for you guys to follow. You don't need to download any new brush. And for blending, I'm going to use airbrushing, the soft brush from airbrushing. Okay, let's start with the sketching part. Basically, to sketch the nose, you only need to draw 3 circles, one big one and 2 smaller ones. Actually, you don't need to try to sketch it perfectly because we can always go back and edit or tweak later. Okay, cool. It's look good enough. And the next step is the bridge of nose. Just need to sketch the 2 simple lines. Now let's connect all the shapes together. It doesn't look really good. Don't worry, I told you, we can always edit later. You can use free transform from selection, or you can use a liquify. We have the perfect sketch to move. About the shading and the light, it depends on where you want the light come from. In this painting, I choose the light come from the left to the right, so that's why here is dark and here is lighter. The next step is the shading part. The shading of the nose is pretty simple. Basically, it's dark at 2 sides on the right and the left, and darker at the bottom. And about the bright and the darker, it depends on where you want to the light come from. For example, if the light come from the left, like this painting, then it's gonna be darker on the right. And if the light come from the opposite side, then it's gonna be darker on the left. So all you have to do is do the shading at the same for both sides, left and right, and then based on the light, shade is brighter on the light side and darker on the opposite side, and combine shading and blending at the same time to find the perfect result. And at the end, you add the highlight and the darker detail. Then you will have a perfect nose. That's all I want to share for the voiceover, and now let's focus on painting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Bye!